Hi everyone, good evening. This is Preetha Sahal, counselor, for another episode of Preetha Se Pucho. In today's episode, we will learn about what is counseling. I am sure a lot of you have heard the word counseling, therapy, coaching, all of these words. What is it and how does it help people and who is it for? We may or may not be aware. So let's find out. So first and foremost, let's bust some myths about counseling. हमको बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे बोला है, हमने सुना भी है कि सिर्फ पागल लोग काउंसलिंग करते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव अ मेंटल इलनेस ओनली देन यू गो फॉर काउंसलिंग, तुमको तो थेरेपी की ज़रूरत है. These are some words that are used as a weapon to diminish somebody, to hurt somebody. But like I said, it is a myth. Each and every one of us, no matter if we have problems, if we don't have problems, will benefit from counseling. It's not that only people who have mental illness go for counseling. We don't wait for the car to break down to take it to the garage. आपके दिमाग में एक वंडरफुल फैंटास्टिक फरारी है, बुगाटी है, वो क्रैश करने तक आप वेट नहीं करोगे ना गराज में लेके जाने के लिए. यू विल कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप इट अंडर मेंटेनेंस. You will do servicing to make sure that is running smoothly. Same with our minds, with our life. Only when problems are happening is not when we go for counseling. If we can go for counseling regularly, it will help us in a lot of different areas and avenues. Like बचपन में शायद ऐसे कुछ हमने देखा होगा, एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, जिसको ट्रॉमा बोलते हैं. And we have buried it within ourselves. We haven't talked to anybody. We don't know who to talk to. And कहीं कहीं वो बात उभर आती है and we feel uncomfortable. And we don't know how to react in those situations. Counseling helps you to resolve those trauma. Counseling helps us to manage our anxiety. We all have a lot of pressure, a lot of work related stress, and sometimes it can get overwhelming and out of our control. So with the help of counseling, even a couple of sessions can help you manage your anxiety and keep it under check. Counseling will help you to increase your self confidence. Because हम किसी और से बात करते हैं, we talk to a professional who is trained in listening to your problems and helping you find your best solution. So when you are able to speak freely without being judged, without being stopped, you can speak whatever is happening in your mind. You will feel more confident and you will be in more control of your feelings and thoughts. Counseling will also help you to improve relationships. कभी हम ग्रजेस होल्ड करते हैं, कभी कभी हमको किसी चीज़ का गुस्सा रह जाता है या कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स रिजॉल्व नहीं होते हैं. सो इफ़ वी टॉक टू द प्रोफेशनल हु इज़ ट्रेन्ड to resolve conflicts, to help us figure out the solution to our issues, our relationships will improve because we will no longer be holding grudges, because we have learned effective ways of having communication, and this will fix our relationships. It could be friendship, it could be a romantic relationship, or even relationship with parents or siblings. Then sometimes something very very disturbing happens to us. We lose a family member or a friend, or we experience some accident and we feel that we are no longer in control of our emotions. So counseling can really help us to find that confidence and self control back. When we are in the process of counseling, one of the key skills that we learn is assertiveness. How to say no without feeling guilty, how to put forth your wishes and desires without other people sabotaging them, or establishing boundaries effectively with your in-laws, with your family, with your friends, without getting used by other people. So counseling can help us to do this as well. We spoke about stress relief also. We also learn skills to how to establish boundaries, because sometimes people are not able to say no. So जो भी चाहिए किसी को भी, वो आ जाता है बिन बुलाए, and they take advantage of our sensitivity and the fact that we can't say no. And after a point of time it gets really really taxing for that person. So counseling helps us to establish our boundaries and to become more assertive. It helps us to improve our social skills. कैसे बात करना है, how to hold on to your thoughts, how to express yourself comfortably. These are skills that you can develop and hone in the counseling sessions. Then you will be able to overcome your feelings of inadequacy, um, inferiority complex. These are situations that many of us are experiencing, and counseling will help you relieve them. Then day-to-day problems can sometimes build up, and when we do counseling we learn that we can manage them, and we find more effective techniques to manage these day-to-day problems. Helps us to reach our goals. Sometimes we have a goal but we don't know how to begin because we are underconfident, we don't know where to start. Counseling is a great way to help us reach our goals. And counseling also helps us to make future plans and execute them effectively. um, Helps us to increase our self-confidence. Sometimes people struggle with addiction, not just that is something to do with smoking or drinking or drugs, but even addiction to watching porn, or addiction to playing video games, or constantly being on the mobile phone. These are also addictions that people struggle with. Counseling can help. Phobias, suicidal ideation, depression, bipolar disorder, low self-esteem, anxiety disorders are all the areas that come under counseling, and we can help people. Because when we do counseling, like we have understood in the past episodes of Pritha Se Pucho, that our thinking affects how we feel, and when we change that, our feelings can change, and thus our behavior and reactions in situations will also evolve. So what used to be a problem earlier is now more effective way of solving that issue. So all of these are the benefits of counseling. Give it a try. If you're feeling low, if you're feeling upset, just give it a try. Talk to your counselor, or if any one of your family members or friends are going for counseling, please don't judge them. Be supportive, be a good human being, be a decent human being, and don't judge them. Counseling doesn't mean that you can't solve your problem. Of course you can solve your problem, but when we go to a professional, the problem resolution happens faster, more effectively, in a shorter time, with less hassle and distress. So people who are going for counseling are not mad, are not crazy, are not mentally ill. They're just smart to know that their wasting time is not going to help them to reach their goals. So if you have been considering going for counseling, this is your chance. Consider it, read up about it. If you have any questions, you can DM me. I will get back to you. This is Pritha Saha, counselor, signing off for another episode of Pritha Se Pucho. Hugs and healing. I'm always there for you.